the little angels that we have lost, 5 boys, 9 girls, 2 dead in class 4 and 12 dead in class 5. So this is a school which is better than many other schools and is being well run. So let's just find out what happened. Like I've said, there is nobody who is perfect, including myself. Let's just find out the truth. And I shall not accept a situation where they are saying, well, the children were they were running, but they don't know what they were running from. That one I will not take. I cannot blame the teachers that I saw here. There are excellent teachers here. There is nobody, including my most humble self, that is perfect. But if there is a mistake, let us together identify it, learn from it, and move forward. We have decided as a group that our children should rest for the rest of the week. Please let us allow the children to rest for the rest of this week. We are going to establish openings here for counseling for all affected, the children, the parents, and the teachers. And by the grace of God, on Monday, after a thorough assessment, by which time we shall have known what has taken place, then we shall reopen the school so that our learning can go on.
Wazazi wananchi tafadhali tuweze kusonga kando kidogo nyuma tuwakatie wanafunzi nafasi ya mbele. Wazazi wa mbele waweze kusikiza kutoka kwa viongozi wetu.
Tunataka mambo ya makanisa kuja hapa Jumapili. Ikiwa wanapatia mwalimu pesa wafanya renting, tunataka ikome kuanzia leo. Kwa sababu kuna makanisa ingine tauni hii tumekuwa tukiishuku kuhusu watoto wetu. Na wewe lazima unisikize. I am a doctor of medicine and I'm telling you, watoto wote 13 wenye walikufa, I examined all of them. 14. Hakuna hata mtoto mmoja mwenye hata done moja ya damu ilitoka. Kwamba we are not going to allow anybody, including watu wa kanisa, kuchukua maisha ya watoto wetu through satanic worship, alafu wana sacrifice maisha ya watoto wetu.